5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All the steps taken by India in its anger to punish Pakistan could turn out to be double-edged swords. Stop. India cannot take back the areas under the occupation of Pakistan within bracket POK without unleashing a war which could end up with catastrophic consequences given that both nations possess nuclear weapons. Stop. Annulling the Indus Water Treaty unilaterally is legally complex and might have significant risks for India's international standing and also ensuring regional stability. Stop. Completely stopping the natural flow of rivers into Pakistan is not immediately feasible. Stop. India must also not forget that China too is waiting to use the water as a weapon. Stop. Therefore, what is required at the moment is not to overreact. Stop. India needs to take steps patiently and diplomatically to isolate Pakistan from its staunch supporters and to dent its influence in the Muslim world. Stop. Stanza. What happened in Pahalgam will scare Kashmir for years to come. Stop. Previous lives have been lost, families settled, and a region already fatigued by decades of suffering has been left in shock once again. Stop. The Pahalgam carnage was a deliberate attempt to instill fear, fuel division, and weaponize religion. Stanza. It is good to see that all political parties have risen as one and expressed their support to whatever measures the center is going to take. Stop. Any response should not be too hasty as it could cost the country goodwill. Stop. There needs to be a well drafted plan based on sound intelligence. Stop. Stanza. India's strong line that India will definitely trace and publish every terrorist involved in this dastardly assault has obviously shaken Pakistan. Stop. India's neighbor must note that the bond between India and Kashmir cannot be broken. Stop. Steps must be taken to isolate radical and violent elements in Kashmir. Stop. Stanza. India should not be satisfied with the initial steps taken after the Pahalgam attack, but should systematically expose Pakistan's terror network globally. Stop. India should leverage all new allies such as Saudi Arabia to further isolate Pakistan and pressure China not to obstruct the listing of and sanctions on Pakistani backed terrorists. Stop. If China changes its stance, it will be a major setback for Pakistan's terror networks. Stop. The unprecedented public anger after the Pahalgam attack is severely damaged Pakistan's narrative. Stop. Now is the time for India to vigorously expose Islamabad's new terrorism globally and also campaign to uproot all the structures that fuel terrorism. Stop stranger. The crux of the problem is identifying and locating the perpetrators of crime at Pahalgam. Stop. Without local support and a reason, the attack could not have been executed. Stop. Therefore, the starting point is zeroing in on local handlers. Stop. Once they are identified, the rest of the investigation falls in place. Stop. Last but not the least, utmost restraint from both sides is the need of the hour, lest it become another Palestine issue. Stop. Over.